one of the struggles that I am feeling, and this is real, is yung inggit bang matatawag sa ibang influencer or ibang content creators. Like, bakit ang dali sa kanila? Why? Bakit super dali sa kanila? Like, they post something and ang dami agad na tao na love yung ginagawa nila. Like, the spotlight is really big for these people. I mean, it's not bad. I'm not shitting on them. I mean, it's just that, how do you do it? 'Di ba? Parang, saan niyo nakuha yung ano yon, yung innate charisma na yon na to do that, to have that na one single post nagva-viral agad, 'di ba? One post and ang daming reacts, ang daming pumapansin and all. And here we are, the struggling content creators na kahit mag-post daily, kahit mag-post everyday, mag-post ng something na with value, something with entertainment, something with information, and still zero. We're stuck sa baba. Diba? And that frustrates me, and I guess that's a real struggle that I am having every day in this content creating era. And hindi lang siya sa content creation ha, sa TikTok, sa Reels and everything. Even sa crafts ng pagsusulat. Like, too many people na nasa writing industry na meron ng names, may mga naabot na sa na mataas sa ano na sila, icon na sila sa writing industry. And they will say na, oh, ang galing mo magsulat, oh, ang ganda ng mga sinusulat mo, oh, you're a hidden gem and all. Pero bakit walang nagbabasa? Bakit konti lang yung nagbabasa? Bakit hindi kagaya nung iba na viral agad? Thousands upon thousands of reads and views, and ang dami agad. Why? And it is really frustrating. I know I post a lot of videos about the let them theory na hayaan mo sila and that hindi ka dapat naiinggit and all. But still, this is my human side. I'm happy for them, don't get me wrong. I'm proud sa mga kakilala ko, mga kaibigan ko na they're making it.